The Wildwood's beaches stretch for 5 miles across the shores of North Wildwood, Wildwood, and Wildwood Crest. The sparkling clean beaches are spaciously wide, that's for sure. They are the perfect spot for swimming, soaking up the sun, and relaxing on a hot summer day. For those looking for some adventure, the Wildwood's beaches serve as the ideal location for surfing, boogie boarding, power boating, jet skiing, sailing, kayaking, and parasailing. And check this out. In addition to those beautiful beaches, there's a one-of-a-kind boardwalk that stretches more than 2.5 miles. Wildwood has about 180 events and festivals throughout the year, and most of them are free. The boardwalk includes monster truck races on the beach, string bands on the weekends, beach soccer, beach lacrosse tournaments, and frisbee championships. There is so much to do on the boardwalk, between the sights, sounds, and smells, and over 100 rides and attractions, including world-class roller coasters, water parks, and more, plus tons of retail shops and eateries. It's a wonder why everyone flocks to the Wildwood Boardwalk. With the boardwalk being approximately 2.5 miles long, one of the best features is the tram car. Anybody that goes to the Wildwood Boardwalk is familiar with the tram car. And here's our gang on the tram car heading down to the big part of the boardwalk. Watch for the tram car. Here we are at Jumbo's. We eat here every year. We come. Oh, fish and chips, draft beer, wings, wine and craft and cocktails. Woohoo! Right on the Wildwood Boardwalk. Getting crowded. Burgers, cheeseburgers, you peel shrimp. Oh yeah. Crab cake. Shrimp. We're waiting over there. There's our group to be seated. Hopefully it won't take us long. Hi, kids.
Hi.
Oh, she spilled her drink? Hi, Scott. Hi, Lucas. Where'd you go?
Hi, Diva fans.
Hi. Cheers. Oh, that one.
We're going.
Look at Karen. Yeah. Well, this is the Jumbo Pizza at Jumbo's. Look at the size of this big mama. All right, everybody's hungry and wants to dig in. Enjoy. Here it goes. Going and going and going. Going and going and going on. Dawn's trying again. She wins every year. Every year. Come on, Dawn. No, Dawn. She's trying one more time. One more time. good choice. Here we go. Here we go. Kyle wears his backpack because he intends to win or purchase things on the boardwalk. So he wants something to carry them back to the hotel in. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, go Dawn! Go Dawn! Woohoo! Go Dawn! Go Dawn! Go Dawn! Go Dawn! Go Dawn! She won! She won! Every year she wins. It only took her 4 tries this time. 7 times. Woohoo!
Jelly fruit. Jelly fruit.
No,
Yeah, those look disgusting.
you popped them in your mouth. That's gross.
You won, Dawn!
Grandma, watch
Yay,
out.
again! Woohoo! Oh, what'd you get? Oh, let me see. Oh, again. Woohoo! Every Friday night during the summer, there's a fantastic fireworks show on the beach that you can watch from the boardwalk. The kids went on the Ferris wheel that stopped on the top, and they watched them from there.
Why are we not going? I'm gonna sit down now. When I sit down,
Put on no sound because you're clean your ass.
oh, back up. Why are we still?
Well, this is very interesting. We have 2 sets of feet here. One has socks on, and the other one, let me zoom in. I'm really not sure what these things are. What are they? Scott, what are these? What are they, Scott?
Ben and Jerry Nike slippers.
Ben and Jerry?
Yeah.
Nike slippers?
You cow print sign?
Oh, I see. Very interesting. Maybe they can move around and dance a little, like the feet. There you go. Move around. Do a little dancing with those slippers. Look at the bottoms. They're huge. Oh my goodness. I wonder who those feet belong to. What's that? Oh, look at those. What are they? Oh my God. Let me see. Ben and Jerry. I can't see them. The person is running around. Let's try again. Oh, look. What are these? Let me zoom in. Ben and Jerry Nike slippers. Let's see if they can move. The feet can move in them. Oh, yeah, look. Twinkle toes. Oh, my God. Let me zoom in again.
I'm getting sturdy.
Let me see. Oh, look at that. You know, who would be kooky enough to wear, these things? Him! This guy! If you're wondering what the big deal is about the boardwalk, well, let me show you a few things you'll find on it. Look what I found on the boardwalk. Bubble waffles. Oh my goodness. Don't they look yummy? Should I get one? No, I think I'll wait till I come back next time. Yummy, yummy. And look at these. Oh my goodness. All different kinds of bubble waffles. this. Have you ever seen funnel cakes like this?
I have. Never heard of
Oh
a
my, M&M, Nutella. Oh, look at these. Cinnamon. What's this one over here? S'mores. And that's an Oreo one. Oh my. And look at these. Little slides. Cinnamon roll.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. No pictures. No pictures.
Fries every time, guys. You want a pizza? You play till you win today, guys. Come on up.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Enjoying all the sights?
For all my subscribers that follow me, you know that every Christmas I put up a baking themed Christmas tree. Every year I try to pick up a few new ornaments, and this shop on the Boardwalk, oh, it's to die for. There are so many in the store. I would say thousands. So I picked up a few, but I'll wait till it gets closer to the holidays to show you what I bought. I can guarantee you that whatever your interests are, there is an ornament for it. My mind was just blown. Look at this, nacho cheese and pickles and oh my gosh, every single thing you could think of. There were so many gingerbread boys and girls and cookie sheets and baking sayings, frosted cookies and snowflakes, and I just didn't know where to look first. Look at those little Coke cans. Oh, and all the donuts. And cookie sheets. Look at that. And brownies. I wonder if the diva bought a brownie.